So in this screencast, I will show you how I created my Drum Dream Girl lesson that we did together. So once you've signed into Nearpod, I'm in my library, and then you go create a lesson. Really, Nearpod's just like a series of interactive slides. So I'm going to start by adding my first slide. And I just want a slide. I don't need to add video or any other content. And I'm going to put the first picture. I'm going to upload the file, and I already have it here. Ready. So I've uploaded. What I did to get these pictures that I'm uploading is I just made the slides and then I took pictures of them. There's so many different ways that you can do it. And then I'll type in the beginning. Now my first slide is done. I click save and exit. So while it's saving, I then know that I want to have you retell on the next slide. So I'm going to right click on this and do add slide, and it's add activity. And to get to the retell, it's open-ended question. So now it's going to bring that slide up. I'm going to just type the same prompt in the beginning. I typically add the picture. I just think it helps for us to see the same picture that you are looking at if you needed to. And then this is an important setting, enable student audio recordings. So to me, that's what's making this so powerful, is that we can type a response or we can record the response. I do save. And then I add another slide. So now I'm going to go on to the second one. And I think my heading there was but. Save that. Hit no, we're going to wait. Okay, the picture was still uploading. And then now I'm going to right click again and add the open-ended question activity. And I'll, oops, add an activity. There it is, open-ended question. I'm going to type the question here, or the prompt. I'm going to add the picture again. I'm going to enable the recording. Save. And then I'll just keep repeating this. In the lesson that you had, there were 5 of these. I'm going to stop right here and just do save and exit. I'm going to title it Drum Dream Girl Screencast. I'm not too worried about these other fill in the blanks. What's important now is once you have it, you've got options of whether you want a student-paced lesson, a live participation plus Zoom. For what we did, it was set on student-paced. And then here's where you just need to change a couple of settings. This will default to, it usually gives you about a month that this will work. So you can change it though. So if you wanted it to be longer, we'll just say through the end of the year that will work. And then here's where you can get the embed code, the link, however you want to share it with your students. So what we did yesterday was a link. And what's great about the link is the students don't have to put in a code or anything. So they just get the link and it'll take them to exactly what you did yesterday, which was entering your name. And then you're good to go. So hopefully that was helpful for you to see how I set up the Drum Dream Girl Nearpod lesson.